What if I told you the credit score you've been obsessing over for years might not even be the one lenders are using? In 2026, everything changed. FICO made their mortgage score completely free, while VantageScore 4.0 got approved by Fannie Mae. So which one actually matters now? Let's start with the bombshell that dropped in April 2026. FICO, the company behind the score used by 90% of mortgage lenders, announced they're making their mortgage-specific scores completely free for consumers. That's right, $0. This wasn't just a price drop, it was a strategic move in a credit score war that's been brewing for years. Meanwhile, VantageScore, FICO's biggest competitor, scored a massive victory. Their latest model, VantageScore 4.0, received official approval from Fannie Mae, one of the two government-sponsored enterprises that back most U.S. mortgages. This approval means lenders can now use VantageScore for mortgage underwriting without special permission. So here's the million-dollar question. Which score actually matters in 2026? The answer depends on what you're trying to do. For mortgages, FICO scores are still king. 90% of mortgage lenders use FICO scores 2, 4, and 5. Those are the mortgage-specific models. Even with VantageScore's new approval, most lenders are sticking with what they know. But for everything else, credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, it's a different story. Most credit card issuers and auto lenders use either FICO 8 or VantageScore 3.0. And here's where it gets interesting. These two scores can differ by 50 points or more on the same person's credit report. Why the difference? The scoring models weigh factors differently. FICO puts more emphasis on payment history, 35% of your score. VantageScore is more sensitive to recent behavior and gives more weight to your credit utilization. So if you maxed out a card last month, your VantageScore might drop more than your FICO score. Here's what you need to know about the 2026 mortgage underwriting shift. While VantageScore is now approved, adoption takes time. Most lenders won't switch overnight because they have decades of data and risk models built around FICO scores. But over the next 2 to 3 years, we'll likely see more lenders offering VantageScore options. So how do you check both scores? For FICO scores, you can get them free from Discover Scorecard, even if you're not a customer, or from many credit card issuers. For VantageScore, most free credit monitoring services like Credit Karma use VantageScore 3.0. And remember, FICO's mortgage scores are now free directly from myfico.com. The bottom line, if you're applying for a mortgage in 2026, focus on your FICO scores 2, 4, and 5. For everything else, monitor both FICO 8 and VantageScore 3.0. And here's the most important takeaway. The fundamentals don't change. Pay on time, keep balances low, and don't open too many new accounts. That's what matters, regardless of which score lenders use. So what's been your experience? Have you noticed a big difference between your FICO and VantageScore? Drop a comment below and let me know which score was higher for you last time you checked. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 credit strategies.